Albert Einstein wasn't just a brilliant physicist who reshaped our understanding of the universe. He also possessed a playful mind that relished a good mental challenge. He believed in exercising the mind, much like one would exercise the body. Legend says that in his spare time he conceived a riddle so fiendishly tough, a true test of intellect, that only 2% of the population could solve it. A claim that has added to its mystique and allure over the years. Whether or not Einstein actually penned it himself remains a subject of debate, but the puzzle, regardless of its origin, is undeniably a masterclass in logic and lateral thinking. It's not about complex math or advanced scientific knowledge, but about pure, unadulterated deduction and careful reasoning. Imagine a street with 5 houses, each painted a different color, standing side by side and inhabited by 5 people of different nationalities, each with their own unique background, preferred drinks, favorite cigars, and cherished pets. The central question that hangs in the air: which of these individuals is the proud owner of the pet fish? You are given just 15 seemingly simple clues, and your task is to meticulously connect every detail, weaving them together to reveal the answer. What accounts for this riddle's enduring appeal and timeless quality? It's because it rewards methodical, step-by-step thinking and offers the profound satisfaction of bringing order from chaos, a truly rewarding experience. Imagine a street with 5 houses standing proudly in a row, each painted in a distinct, vibrant color. These aren't just any houses, they're the key to unlocking a captivating mystery. First, there's the red house, bold and striking. Next to it stands the greenhouse, a symbol of nature and tranquility. Then comes the white house, pristine and elegant. Following that, we have the yellow house, radiating warmth and cheer. And finally, the blue house, calm and serene. Each house is owned by someone unique: a Brit hailing from the United Kingdom, a Swede with roots deep in Sweden, a Dane, proud of their Danish heritage, a Norwegian, carrying the spirit of Norway, and a German, bringing a touch of Germany to the neighborhood. Each of these individuals enjoys a different beverage, savors a different cigar, and cherishes a different pet. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, use 15 intricate clues to find the elusive owner of the missing fish. Clues such as, the Brit resides in the red house and the Swede is a proud dog owner will serve as your initial breadcrumbs. The key to success lies in meticulous organization. Begin by setting up a grid, creating columns for each house and establishing rows to represent color, nationality, drink preference, cigar brand, and beloved pet. As you meticulously fill in the grid, subtle yet significant connections will begin to emerge, guiding you closer to the truth. Watch as the puzzle gradually transforms from a state of perplexing chaos to a realm of illuminating clarity. Are you ready to embrace the challenge and crack the code of the missing fish? When tackling a logic puzzle where every detail matters, it's important to have a strategy. Start with the most concrete clues. These are the statements that give you direct, undeniable information to place on your grid. For example, the Norwegian lives in the first house. This is a definitive placement. Another solid clue: the center house drinks milk. This goes directly onto your grid as well. Then consider clues that provide relative positioning. The Norwegian's neighbor is in the blue house. The greenhouse is immediately left of the White House, a critical piece of spatial information, and its owner drinks coffee. This links 2 attributes together. The Brit lives in the red house, another direct association. This also means that red can't be house 1. This is an example of negative constraints, which are just as important. Piece by piece, you assign attributes to their correct places. Colors, nationalities, and drinks all find their homes on the grid. The yellow house owner smokes Dunhill, another connection to make. The Dane drinks tea, keep filling in those connections. The German smokes Prince. Each clue is a step closer. The Swede keeps dogs, pets enter the equation. The Brit has birds. The more you fill in, the easier it becomes. Each clue narrows the possibilities, eliminating incorrect options, and the grid fills up, revealing the intricate relationships. With careful deduction, the answer is within reach. The final clues fall into place. The Norwegian owns cats, the Dane keeps horses, the Brit has birds, the Swede has dogs. Only the German and the fish remain. The German, in the greenhouse, drinking coffee and smoking Prince, owns the fish. Every clue fits. Logic prevails. Einstein's riddle isn't just a brain teaser, it's a lesson in patience and problem solving. Breaking down complexity, step by step, leads to clarity. Next time you face a tough puzzle, remember, order is possible, and the solution is always there for those who persist.